Hey guys, I am going to show you guys how to do the side seam of the baby Ava dress. You can see that right here. We're going to sew up the side seams here. I'm going to show you the lock-in mattress stitch that I like to use. Alright, so this is the locking mattress stitch. We're going to start here in the bottom corner using the tail of my yarn. I'll turn it this way so you guys can see. When we typically do the mattress stitch, it's sometimes called the ladder stitch, and you usually just work back and forth all the way along here. This is called the locking mattress stitch, so it's a little bit different. So I'm going to pull this through here, get started. And then instead of going from here straight back across, we're going to grab this top loop here, and then we're going to go back to where we started from. So now before I pull this tight, you can see right here is where I inserted the needle from before. So I'm going to pull this tight. I'm going to move just up a little bit to the next loop here, and I'm going to work right back into the spot where I had inserted the needle from the other side. Pull this tight. This makes a nice almost invisible seam, and we're going to go back. So you just move up to the next little loop and go back to where you had inserted your needle before. Up a little bit and then back. It just creates a stronger seam than the regular ladder stitch. They lock together and it's just a little bit firmer. We're going to continue this all the way up the side until how the pattern states how many inches from the top.